Bula guys, welcome to our beautiful vlog here in Conny's kitchen in Tangimothea Drive. So we are making a nice recipe today, like a combination of Fijian, German, Russian Lolo Bun. So stay tuned, watch till the end and subscribe, and also try to make this recipe and surprise your family or your kids or husband or friends. It's very delicious. So I will show you just the ingredients. It's a very easy recipe. So this are the ingredients for our dough. So we need milk, we need flour, salt, oil, sugar, yeast and 1 egg. So I will start with the milk. We need milk, 100 milliliter, which, a little bit more, but it's not a big issue, which we have to heat. So I will make it in my kitchen can wood, sorry. So I will heat it here for a few seconds. Then it's a little bit warm, not too hot. And then I will add the sugar, 35 gram of sugar, and the packet of yeast. You can use this dry yeast, which I'm using now, but you can also use the fresh yeast, so it's up to you. If you're using the fresh yeast, just make sure that you're not using one full packet, otherwise your dough will grow until the moon, so don't do that. So let's wait a few minutes and then we will continue. So guys, while we are waiting for the milk, it's been a long time that we haven't vlogged especially any recipe, and also some other updates about what we are doing right now, but it's a very tough time at the moment. So plenty of things are going on, like on party side, but also my side, our family side. So it's not the easiest time, but a very challenging time. But like, I think this time will also like make us stronger. So sometimes it's not always bad to go through these tough times. But everything is going well, everything is coming to an end, and we still see God's blessing in our life, especially in weak times and in tough times you see God's blessing more. And this is something that we can be grateful, and we are really grateful. It's just a short update about everything, but stay safe and learn from the bad times and improve. This is the message which I can give you. Okay, I think the milk is now like as we need it. Yep, this is perfect. So now we will add the sugar. So you can see here on my Kenwood I can change the measurement. So for example, before it was milliliter, now it's gram. 35 gram. If it's a little bit more, it's also not a problem, because this dough is it's like something sweet. So, and now the yeast. And make sure when you're baking or cooking, clean always your kitchen. Then baking and cooking makes even more fun. So, suck. Okay, so this is done. Then we will continue with the flour. We need 350 grams of flour. Please make sure that you never put yeast and salt together, because that will damage the structure of your dough. So first put the flour. I was saying 350 grams. More, but not a problem. And now put the salt on top of the flour and 1 egg. So now mix it. So I will start with just slow. so that the flour is not going everywhere. And as soon as it is mixed a little bit, then you can like increase the power. So now just go and let it mix. So as soon as you can see that it's becoming a nice dough, add the oil, because the oil will make it more fluffy, and the consistency is way better if you like add the oil at the end. Okay guys, so now you can see the dough is almost finished, so I will now add the oil. So I will change the measurement like 2 milliliter, and I will add around 35 milliliter of oil. Okay. And then start again, and you will directly see that the dough will become more smooth. So and then just let it here in the Kenwood or mixing machine or whatever you use, like leave it for 5 minutes. Then the dough is becoming more smooth. If you, like how do you call it? Not mix?
Huh?
When it's not mixing, it's like when you have a dough, you're not mixing it, you're
baking.
Baking?
Yeah, that's bake.
So when you leave it like here for a little bit longer time and mix it, then it's becoming more fluffy. Yeah. So just leave it here for a few minutes, and then yeah, the dough is ready, and then you can just put it on the side, or maybe in the oven on 35 degrees. I will use my Kenwood because I can also get some heat from the Kenwood, so that it can grow. Or put it a little bit in the sun. If you are in sunny places and not in Germany like we are now, like where autumn is there and it's just cold and rainy. So if you're in Fiji and if you have a sunny place, just put it there and you will see the dough rice grow like every second. If you have done everything right. So guys, you can see like my dough was mixed now for almost 7 minutes. So, and when you look into my bowl, you can see like what kind of nice dough this is. It looks less, but it's quite a lot. So okay, I will stop it, and then I will show you like the texture of the
fluffy.
So I did not add any other ingredients. So no more flour. And you can see like this. Has some like small bubbles. So that's always a good sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have done it right. So what I will do now, I will put a little bit flour on the bowl, so that it will not stick. You can also use a little bit of oil. I just do it with flour. And then this is ready. So and then leave it like for 30-40 minutes. Depends how much yeast you add, and you leave the dough like in a warm place, or even in the fridge. You can leave the dough in the fridge for 1 day to grow. So you have plenty options. So many people are saying, I cannot make dough with yeast. Guys, it's so easy. You cannot do anything wrong. And like a dough with yeast will forgive everything. Like if it doesn't look nice at the beginning, at the end, because of the growing process.
Cool.
So guys, my dough is ready now. Let's see. So and now we will use it. So now we have to make like small balls.
Bula to Uncle Jacob. Jacob Kreka. To mus diese Rezept probieren. Das ist unser traditionales Frühstück. Aber ein bisschen deutsche Technik, Style. Guys, this is the secret.
This is not from Kiki, but almost nicely. And then we will put one
Yeah.
candy. No, is that candy? It's like chocolate.
So this is the secret of this Lolo Bun.
And then ferment.
So you have hazelnut and then the bomb.
So now we put
So that's why
chocolate. But we will also add some with cocos, Raffaello.
that's why the name of this recipe, this food is the Coconut Bomb Bun. Because when you're gonna bite it, it will explode like a bomb in your mouth. Here guys, see. There. And then you put acid. Close it properly.
Roll it.
And keep on doing this until you finish the bomb.
That's why I'm saying if you don't add too much sugar in the dough. So now we will add it with the Raffaello, the coconut. So then close it.
Okay guys, you can see here we have to heat the coconut cream because here, see how thick it is.
But guys, the top secret which my husband didn't know is what I used last time, but it was so delicious, to add a little bit sweetened condensed milk. So Patty didn't know that, but that was the top secret why it was so delicious.
So this is a twist guys, not only Fijian normal Lolo Bun,
Yeah,
but yeah,
I was saying it's
this is our own creation. Conny did it last time and I was super shocked about the taste because it's just explosion in the mouth.
and I will also add some,
Cocos raspberry.
not too much.
So na korkoran ninyo. got my lunch today. Hey, ricey and wrap.
This has to be boiled for a few minutes to make it brew. And after that, we will add the juice here and then bake it.
The Lolo.
It's done.
Then you add the Lolo
Easy peasy.
and then throw it in the oven.
So guys, now the buns were in the oven. I would like to let them grow, and now I will add the water. This is a lot of juice. Max to feed juice.
Can do.
That's super lot of juice, but no problem. So add it and then let it grow, and then put it in the oven. So and then bake it for 25 30 minutes. So I will put it on 190 degrees for here. I would say like 25 minutes first, and then we will see.
Guys,
The moment of truth.
it's ready. Lolo Bun Bun.
Lolo Bun.
Let's try it.
Moment of truth.
Oh, first impression, the top, crispy.
Mouthwatering. Amen.
Check the inside of this. The bomb
There is
here.
the
This is the bomb.
The surprise.
I just finished my lunch. So this is my
Teaser.
dessert.
How many stars? 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, guys. Why?
Cazzi. Okay, then enjoy.
Nice. Make sure. Try it. And tag us, please.
Yeah.
The coconut, the tangy mouth here, try coconut bomb
Bun.
bun. Mother! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Toso boys. God bless.